Headings can be tricky. It's very important that you understand the guidelines for formatting headings, since many of the checker tools, including both the Little Man in Canvas and PopeTect, can only tell you if you've skipped a heading or if you have an empty heading. They can't tell you if you should add a heading somewhere or what the proper heading text would be. Here in our example, it looks like the "Welcome, I'm glad you're here" line is a heading, right? It's the bigger size and it has colored text. But if I put my cursor on that line, I can see it's just designated as paragraph text, not as a heading. If you're used to format headings using big font rather than a heading style, it's a good habit to always double check your headings by just putting your cursor in the line to make sure that it is formatted correctly and not just paragraph text masquerading as a heading. PopeTect tells us we've got a skipped heading because this heading, Quick Links, is styled as a heading 3, even though it's actually the first heading on the page, according to the way I've got things formatted now. Main section headings should always be a heading 2. Only use H3 and H4 for subsection headings, and never choose the heading based on, oh, I like that font size. Because our first fake heading needs to be formatted correctly as a heading 2, when I do that and click the Rescan button, watch what happens with the quick links. You can see suddenly that error has been corrected, the skipped heading error. Although technically quick links is not a subsection of the Welcome Here section, so it really should be styled as an H2 as well. Easy enough to fix. I can either do it up here in the Rich Content Editor bar, or I can do it over here by choosing H2. Then click Apply.